we're shooting smoothies right here on Smoothie Sailing. Smoothie Sailing!
Smoothie Sailing.
Today we're doing something called banana cream.
Banana cream.
And do you know why it's called banana cream?
Yeah.
Because it has wholesome goodness of milk and yogurt. And it's Greek yogurt, so it's really good for you. And the ingredients are
banana and milk. Yogurt and apple.
Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, Daria, let's put in some apples.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead. Okay, Daria, let's put in the bananas.
Yeah.
Should we put in the yogurt with the baby spoon? Go ahead.
Oh my god, it's pretty. Oh my god.
Okay, Daria, and the last ingredient is
Milk.
go ahead and put the milk.
It's too heavy, this one.
Okay, I'll help you. Okay, Daria, now all the ingredients are in. Should we go ahead and blend it?
Yeah, blend it.
Okay, Daria, now I'm gonna pour in mine, okay?
No, that's mine.
Okay, I'll pour this and I'll give it to you.
This is for me and that's for you. Am I ready to dry it?
Let's put in the tops. The tops. You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay, here. You take this one, I'll take this one. Cheers. She loves pink.
You love blue.
I love pink. Daria, do you like it?
Yeah.
Good. This smoothie is really packed in full of flavor and it's really yummy on a hot summer's day. You can add in ice cream or ice, whatever you like, just to lift the flavor up, and you can put it in all sorts of different containers since the liquid itself is white. You can use all sorts of colorful jars just as we have and have fun with it. Alright guys, that's all the time we have for today. Please subscribe and do write in if you have any recipes you want us to try. Bye!
Please subscribe. Hi, welcome to Time Out Season 2.
She's so busy eating the ingredients before we start that we don't even have time to say welcome to Time Out Season 2. Anyways, this season we're doing smoothies right here on Smoothie Sailing. Right, Daria?